Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Kumar, a dentist with over 14 years of experience. I specialize in smile designing at Excel Dentist Clinic in Gurgaon. So let's start with smile designing. Now, what is smile designing exactly? It's a cosmetic treatment with a holistic approach, where the smile is customized to look the way you want it. This could involve a combination of procedures like veneers, bonding, teeth whitening, contouring. Quickly, I'll tell you what exactly are these above mentioned treatment forms. So, veneers. Veneers are thin covering which is placed over your front teeth to change the shape, color, or size. In bonding, a tooth colored resin is applied to fix chip or crack or gaps in between gaps, whereas teeth whitening is lightening the color of your teeth for a brighter smile. As for contouring, it's just reshaping the teeth for a more uniform look. Now, smile designing gives you fast results. You could walk out with a brand new smile in just less than one visit. This is ideal if you are looking for a quick fix or have a special event coming up. Now, let's talk about traditional braces, which is an orthodontic treatment. They are used to correct the alignment issues like crooked teeth, gaps, bite problems. This process involves metal brackets and wires that gradually move over your teeth into the right position. So, by alignment, it means that braces can fix malaligned teeth, making them straighter. Bite corrections like overbites, underbite, cross bites can be looked into. And by gradual change, it means that they work slowly, often over a period of a year or more. So braces are usually necessary for more severe dental problems. They require long-term commitment and they give you permanent results when done properly by an orthodontist. So let's compare the aesthetics and the results of these two options. Smile designing gives you a quick change. If you want to see immediate improvement in how your smile looks, then this is the way to go. You can choose the exact shade and shape of your teeth as well. On the other hand, traditional braces, they take time. The results build up slowly as your teeth shift into the right place. The outcome might be more natural, but you'll need to be more patient with the treatment for sure. So braces might not look appealing when you wear them, but at the end, the result is surely worth it. Also, with braces, your teeth shape and shade cannot be changed. Smile designing gives you fast and customizable results, whereas braces gives you slow and steady improvement leading to a more natural smile. Let's talk about the time and cost. You might have to wear the braces for 1 to 2 years, depending on your dental needs. The cost is spread out over this time, and it might be more affordable in the long run. But remember, you are also committing to a regular adjustment and checkups almost every month. On the other hand, smile designing is quicker. You might need just few visits, as less as one visit also, and you're done. This makes it great if you are on a tight schedule. The cost roughly turns out to be almost same as orthodontic treatment or sometimes much lesser than that as well. But it's done upfront. Finally, let's figure out which option might be better for you. Smile designing is ideal if your teeth are mostly healthy and you look for cosmetic improvements. It's perfect for fixing minor flaws like small gaps, discoloration, or slight unevenness, or even peg laterals that's like unusually small in sizes. Braces are more suitable if you have significant dental issues, if your teeth are severely malaligned, if you have bite problems, or you're dealing with crowding. Braces are likely the better choice. They are designed to correct functional problems and improve your oral health over a period of time. So quickly, let's recap again. Smile designing एक fast, customizable तरीका है जो स्माइल एनहांस करता है, जबकि ट्रेडिशनल ब्रेसेस एक ग्रेजुअल चेंज लाता है, बट कभी कभी जरूरी अप्रोच है डेंटल इश्यूज को करेक्ट करने के लिए. राइट चॉइस आपकी स्पेसिफिक नीड, टाइमलाइन और बजट पे डिपेंड करता है. एंड इफ यू आर स्टिल अनश्योर व्हिच पाथ टू टेक, always take an opinion of a very qualified, genuine dentist who guides you towards the right path, keeping your needs well in mind. I sincerely hope that this video helps you understand the differences between the two treatments, the smile designing and traditional braces. And if you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. This is Dr. Priyanka Kumar signing off from Yoga.